Come check out our new listing in Tigard. This awesome home is $775,000. It is at the base of Bull Mountain, and the unique thing, it is Beaverton Schools. So this is Mountainside High School boundary and Shoals Heights Elementary. It has got a huge white kitchen, beautiful corner sink overlooking the backyard, lovely stainless steel appliances, and check out the size of this island with the gas cooktop. Family room right off the kitchen, big patio in the backyard for outdoor entertaining, fully fenced backyard. It's just awesome. Gas fireplace with built-ins in the family room, powder bath, and big laundry room. Hardwood floors, and you just have to love these huge vaulted ceilings at the entry. This is Teddy's house. Teddy lives here. At the top of the stairs, you see the double door entry to the master suite. Take a peek at that backyard from here. Great patio. Huge soaking tub, double sinks, skylight, and walk-in closet that's cedar lined. This home has 4 bedrooms and a bonus. Here's one of the bedrooms. And then down the hall, another bedroom, positioned with a bathroom right in the middle, double sinks. And then another bedroom overlooking the backyard. Now you have to see the large bonus room that's upstairs. This is at the front of the home, super cute coved windows. Great space for the kids, for crafts, for workout, whatever it may be. Hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of this lovely home on Stall Drive in Tigard.